Once we confirm your account, you will be notified and can start doubling up. Once connected with your Bitstamp sub-account, DoubleUp, you will trade automatically. All you need to do is select the currency pair you wish to trade, confirm or adjust the suggested parameters, What do you need to start doubling up with DoubleUp? You only need an active Bitstamp account with at least €500 equivalent on a selected sub-account. What does DoubleUp actually do? DoubleUp will split your funds equally between selected currencies. And create limit profit orders within the selected range. Number of sell and buy orders is determined by the number of steps. You can change the currency pair, stop trading, or adjust settings at any time. When a trend occurs, DoubleUp will execute transactions, always buying cheaper currency with the more expensive currency. Use DoubleUp to bring up your game.